Hello there, and thanks for using the Debug Toolkit. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the static commands which have been added into the 1.2 version of the toolkit. So let's begin. The one thing is to read the documentation. There are four kinds of commands, and there is the normal commands, the boolean, the vector commands, and the enum commands, which are supported using scriptable objects. Here, with the static commands, we made three of those available, which is the simple command for just triggering a method with only one parameter, the boolean command, which is there to trigger a method with a boolean as a parameter, and the vector command, which is there to trigger a method with a vector 1, vector 2, vector 3, vector 4, to do some translation, to do some rotation directly using commands in the console. So let's start with what we could call the hello world of this toolkit. So as I told you, we are just going to use a simple command, and this is the keyword which is going to be used into the console to use the say hi method. So let's go, let's save, let's get back to Unity, let's compile, and let's run. Press F12 to open the console, and you've got here this debug line, which is here to tell you that the command you've made has been taken into account. So hi, hello world. It's a win, but maybe it's not that exciting actually. Maybe we want to do some interesting stuff, like stop all the nav mesh agents from moving or reloading the scene. So to reload the scene, it's a method which doesn't take any parameters, so we can just do a simple command. And to disable the agent, we can just use a boolean command, which takes a command name and a true word and a false word. If you don't enter anything, it's going to be enabled and disabled by default. Get back to Unity, compile, and press play. Okay, now F12, and as you can see, the commands have been taken into account. Let's maybe freeze everyone. Nav agent, stop. They all stopped. Maybe we want to reload the scene now that we scene reload. So there's only one scene right there, but for your use cases you might want to reload multiple scenes or stuff like that. But we can do something even more exciting. Let's get back to the script. Okay, maybe you want to TP your player some game objects. Those are static methods. To access some instance data, you need to use a singleton pattern. We are not going to use fully the singleton pattern. We are just going to use the referencement, a static variable. So it's private because, well, we don't need anything more. When this mode behavior awakes, it's going to set the instance, and we are going to need a reference to the player transform to teleport the player, you know, and maybe a little method to be able to do this. So teleport player, it takes the vector 3. Oh, that's great. We can use the vector command. Okay, so now when I type player TP followed by 3 digits, that's going to TP the player at this place. Let's save, get back to Unity, compile, let's press play, and it's that simple. F12, player TP 1.15.1, and let's go! We're in the sky. Great stuff. So that's it for today. I hope you like this feature and you see how useful and how easy to use it is. Until next one, have a great time.